GRAT? Hi, I'm Claire at the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been helping families with wills, trusts, and probate now for over 30 years. Okay, let's get started. So what's a GRAT? A GRAT is a grantor retained annuity trust, and it is a trust that we set up to help families transfer wealth to other generations oftentimes. And it's oftentimes set up for people who are wealthy and have taxable estates. So here's the strategy on how it works. We draft this trust and then we transfer an asset to it. And that trust pays an annuity back to the person who transferred it to it, equal to the value of what was transferred to the trust plus a small interest rate. So let's say we contribute $100,000 to a GRAT that pays back an annuity payment of that $100,000 plus a small interest rate over a period of time. Now, the shortest period you want to have a GRAT is 2 years. It's better to have it a little bit longer, but it essentially pays back over the period of time. And at the end of the term, the appreciation above $100,000 plus the required interest payment passes to the beneficiaries. So let's say the $100,000 over that period of time appreciates by $50,000. You're required to pay 10 in interest. That means 110 comes back to the person who originally created the trust, and 40,000 passes to the family estate tax free. So it's the appreciation that basically gets the get out of jail free card with GRATs that gets to pass to the family without estate tax consequences. So what type of property is excellent to contribute to a GRAT? We want to contribute property that's going to explode in value in the future. It's important that the property appreciates faster than the interest rate we have to pay back to the grantor, and it appreciates a lot more than that, so we can transfer more wealth to the other family. Another consideration when we're thinking about GRATs is, does this asset, is it going to produce the proper liquidity so that we can pay the annuity payment plus interest back to the grantor? That's also important. And then we want to look at, how long should we make this GRAT last for? Essentially, if the person who creates the GRAT dies during the term, the GRAT can come back into their estate. And so we want to make sure that when we're setting these up, that the person doesn't die during the term, because then this work is for nothing. Something that is unusual about GRATs as opposed to other kind of affluent tax planning techniques is this type of planning, there's actually treasury regulations for it. It's written within the government laws that GRATs are okay. So they're a really kind of safe, conservative way to transfer assets to other family members. As long as you follow the rules of the treasury regulations, they're not subject to attack by the government. So if you have any questions about GRATs, we're here to help. Give us a call. Our number is 507-252-8997. Thank you.